How long can we allow for these atrocities to happen? We are here today to say no more.
Planned Parenthood is facing yet another scandal that has outraged local residents. What happened behind these doors here at this Planned Parenthood facility in Tempe, Arizona? Well, according to police reports, a young girl disclosed to a counselor that she had been raped. But instead of reporting such abuse to the police as required by Arizona law, well, the Planned Parenthood counselor told the mother and her daughter that reporting such abuse was not worth the hassle.
You know, Planned Parenthood says that they care about women and children. But you know what? Actions speak louder than words.
According to attorneys with Alliance Defending Freedom, this Planned Parenthood Tempe facility appears to have broken Arizona law by covering up a rape involving a minor. And it's not the first time Planned Parenthood stands accused of breaking the law in Arizona and across the country.
Regardless of what your position is on abortion, everybody should agree that abortion facilities should be held to the same standards, health and safety standards, and inspection standards as any other healthcare facilities are.
In the crowd, young women held signs expressing their frustration towards all the Planned Parenthood facilities across the nation.
They're required by law to notify the state within 24 hours of any kind of rape instance. And what did they do? They brushed it off their shoulders and they said it wasn't a big deal. We're talking about a young woman here. We're talking about a huge issue.
This tragedy affecting a teenage girl isn't an isolated incident. In Colorado, a mother is suing Rocky Mountain Planned Parenthood after they reportedly gave her 13-year-old daughter an abortion without the mother's knowledge, and then sent the young girl out the door with the man who had reportedly been abusing her since she was just 6 years old. These young women here at this protest say enough is enough.
The more abortions they do, the more money they make. They are not here to protect women who come into their clinic.
In July, Alliance Defending Freedom released a report to Congress showing that Planned Parenthood and other abortion industry allies wasted and abused taxpayer money and potentially defrauded the American people to the tune of $115 million. Putting it in perspective, that is the equivalent cost of educating more than 15,000 Arizona students. In the meantime, Alliance Defending Freedom has sent a letter to the Arizona Department of Health Services asking it to immediately investigate the Tempe Planned Parenthood clinic under Arizona's new Women's Health Protection Act that went into effect on July 24th. Now, the pro-life advocates say they're going to continue to make their voice heard. They are urging anyone with any information to come forward and tell their story.